Today, we're whipping up something super simple, super tasty, and just a little bit unexpected, Pancit Mikki, with a twist. I promise you, we're making magic happen with whatever's left in the fridge. And, oh yes, there's kimchi involved. First, let's sauté the squid head, 1 fried leftover chicken, kimchi, and pakchoy. I mean, it's green, it's crunchy, it's packed with vitamin C, so good for you. It's basically like a mini health boost on your plate, set aside. Now, don't you love it when you find leftover veggies hanging out in the fridge, waiting to be useful? I've got pakchoy here, looking all fresh, and kimchi, because why not? Kimchi makes everything better, right? Next up, in the same pan boil half a cup of water, then throw in the Pancit Mikki. These noodles are packed with carbs for energy, perfect for when you need that extra fuel. Plus, they cook so fast, you'll be done in no time. And look at that. This is why I love Pancit Mikki. It's so simple, so versatile, and you can throw in whatever you've got. Healthy, colorful, and delicious. The crunch from the pakchoy, the tang from the kimchi, it's all working together. Quick, easy, and packed with flavor. And the best part? No fancy ingredients or complicated steps, just good food that fuels you. Who knew a quick search through the fridge could turn into this masterpiece? Pancit Mikki, with a little bit of kimchi love. Try it, your body, and your taste buds will thank you. Alright, if you're loving these quick, no-fuss recipes, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, there's more deliciousness coming your way.